Hey, what's up? You okay? Hey, sweetness. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I'm here. I'm right here. No, don't apologize. You know you can call me anytime. I mean that. I don't care what time it is. No, it doesn't. Just take some deep breaths for me. Come on, you can do it. That's it, in and out. That's good. It was just a dream. It wasn't real. I know it did. I know how it felt. You know I understand that. But you're okay now. You're warm and safe right now. Okay? You're okay. Wow, that must have been a bad one, huh? Worse than usual, I mean. Yeah. Hey, listen, I'm gonna come over if that's all right with you. Of course now. What's wrong with now? Unless you don't want me to. What did I just say? I don't care what time it is. I want to be there for you. I'm coming over. Is that okay? Good. Thank you. All right then, don't move, sweetness. Hang in there and keep breathing. Let me get my shoes on. I'm on my way. Hey there, how are you doing? Yeah, I get that. Can I hug you? I've got you. You're okay now, I promise. Yeah, you want to talk about it? It's up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. I can listen or I can just hold you. It's up to you, I'm here either way. Here, why don't we get into bed? We can get comfortable and you can talk if you want to. Does that sound good? Okay, great. Wait, do you have some water? All right, let's get you some water, and then let's get back into bed. Maybe we can both get some rest if we're together. Yeah, I'll just sleep here. That works great for me. Okay, here, sip some of this. It'll help. Just little sips. Don't have to drink too much. There you go. Okay, come on, let's get under the covers. Here, just put the water... Yeah, that works. Hop into bed. Make like sniffles. I know, I'm funny. All right, there you go. Get yourself comfortable and I'll join you. Okay, let's do this. You good on your side like that? Okay. I'm gonna lie here behind you and just hold you. Does that sound okay? Okay. You tell me if it gets too warm or if you get uncomfortable. Got it? Okay, good. I'll rub your back and arms a bit too if you like. Yeah, it's soothing. Always seems to help in these moments. But again, if you don't like anything or want to change something, just tell me. I mean it. Okay, so... Want to talk about it? Was it the same as before? Was I with you this time? Oh, sweetness, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that happened to you. Yeah, it was just a dream, I know. Doesn't make it easier, though. But look, I'm okay, right? I didn't die. I'm right here. I've got you. No, I get it. They always feel real to me, too. I can hear the wind and feel the cold. I wake up shaking every time. Yeah, I feel you. You're shaking a bit right now. Are you cold? I understand. Would it help if I hugged you tighter? Then I will. I've got you. I won't let go. Shh. You're okay. I promise you are always okay. We got out, remember? We made it through and we got out. And then I worried I would lose you, but you woke up. Because you are so, so strong. Yes, you are. You really are. You're stronger than you could possibly know. You are my strength in that shack. You're my strength every day. You keep me going when it gets hard. Did you know that? I know we've been through a lot, but we made it. You and me together. We made it. And now the future looks pretty good. Yeah, it does. I mean, I'm loving the time we spend together. You're an incredible person. You make me laugh. And you make me mac and cheese. You keep me warm when we cuddle. I've never felt so warm in my life as when you're holding me. You make my life so much better just because you're in it. Hey, you really do. I know we didn't get together under the best of circumstances, and I know shared trauma isn't the most reliable of ways for relationships to be successful, but you fit me so well. It's almost hard to believe I didn't see it before. And now, even though it was something awful that brought us together, I don't ever want to let go, you know? I don't care how I found you, or how you found me. All I care about is that we're together. And okay, I wasn't planning on saying this tonight, but I love you. Yeah, I do. I'm sure. I want to be here for you for all the good and all the bad. Every nightmare you have, I want to be here to hold you until it goes away and you're warm again. And the same for me. When I wake up scared that we're still in that shack, I want your arms to be there, keeping me close. You're my safe place, and I don't see that changing. Hey, you don't have to say anything. I know it's been a rough night. I just wanted you to know, that's all. I thought you might like to know. How I feel about you is, yeah, it's good. Very good. I've still got you. Just breathe. You feeling any better? I'm glad. You seem like you're calmer now. Do you think you can sleep? Why not? Aren't you tired? Oh, I didn't mean to. Well, yeah, I guess me saying I love you might have woken you up a bit. Sorry about that. Here, let's just close our eyes and try to rest. I'm sure we can settle back into something resembling sleep eventually. Sure, you can roll this way. You want to lie on your back? That works. How about I just cuddle up against you then? Or is that too warm? Good, I kind of like it. Here, let me put my head here. Does that work for you? Good. You want the blanket over you? Yeah, I do. Can't ever have enough blankets, remember? That's good. You feel really nice. Close your eyes, sweetness. Try to rest. I'll be here, keeping the nightmares at bay. Nothing can get to you while I'm here. Oh, I'm absolutely magic, couldn't you tell? There is a smile. That's good to see. Let's get some rest. I'll be here when you wake up, okay? I love you, sweetness. You say something? Sounded like you said, "Hey, you awake?" Guess we can figure it out in the morning.